If you have a front-loading LG dryer that no longer turns on, I want to help you troubleshoot fixing it. First, look on the sensor and on the area, see if you have a child lock on, or a child lock button. And if you do, hold down the child lock button for at least 3 seconds and then see if that will get it to work. Next thing I want you to do is open up the door. Make sure that there's nothing impeding, no clothes or anything impeding. And I want you to firmly close the door like this. Really tough. Okay, then see if you're able to get it turned on and see if it works. Next thing I want you to do is hold down the power button. It's kind of like a soft reset. And you're going to hold down the power button for a good 20 seconds. Release, and then see if you're able to get it to power on. If that doesn't work, what I want you to do is unplug it from the wall and then wait a good 10 minutes to see if that will reset it and make it work. If for whatever reason you don't have anybody with you, what you can do is you can go to the circuit board of your house. That's fairly easy to find if you know where it's at, and go ahead and see if it was tripped by accident, and you'll be able to tell while looking at your circuit board, and then just turn it back on and then see if it'll start working. Most likely if you got your lights on, then most likely that's not what it is, but it's possible. And then see if that works. Now, look at your outlet that you have it plugged into on the back of the wall and see if it has a GFCI safety button. You know, in some of the bathrooms where you can push it and then make the outlets work again. It's possible you have that on your dryer where it's plugged into. So click it and make sure it works. All right, let me know in the comment section if that helped. If not, you might have to get it serviced. But hopefully one of those options will help. Thanks.